Good morning guys. Today I will show you how to protect your graphene coating after a long trip. As you can see, the car is very dirty. In this type of cleaning I will always recommend a pressure washer because otherwise it will be very difficult for you to remove all the dirt. So I am applying a pressure washer and I will clean the entire car. I have cleaned the entire car with pressurized water. I have removed the loose dirt as much as possible. Now I will apply shampoo. So the car is ready for shampooing. So I am applying graphene ceramic coated shampoo as my car is graphene coated. You can apply with the help of a pressurized washer or you can also apply manually. Today I will show you the manual process, because not everybody is having a pressure washer. I have used 2 caps. Now I will apply it with the help of a wash mitt. We will apply from roof to bottom. It is the procedure. Like this I will do to the entire car. Shampoo ar lagbe na. Shampoo the entire car with the help of a wash mitt. Now we will wash the car. So the washing procedure is complete. Now we will apply some protective layer. Since the car is graphene coated, we can apply graphene. Also we will clean the mats also. I have applied graphene as top coat. So this is a quick detailing process. So I'll wipe up dry after applying this particular graphene spray and finally buff off with another cloth. Like this I will do to the entire car and I will show you the final result. This is a quick video. তো এইভাবে গ্রাফিনটা দিয়ে আমি ভালো করে ওয়াইপ করে নেব, ওয়াইপ করে ড্রাই করে নেব। দুটো করে স্প্রে দিয়েছি। গোটা গাড়িটা হয়ে যাওয়ার পর দেখাবো কেমন রেজাল্ট এসছে। ছাতের পোরশনটা আমাদের হয়ে গেছে। দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন, the roof has been completed. Now I will do this to the entire car and show you the final result. Finally the entire job is complete. We have applied the coating and the entire car has been cleaned. So the car has been restored back to its glory. So in this way you can easily clean your car and protect your graphene coating. So hope you like the video, and if you find the video useful, please do comment in the comment section below if you have any questions. Thank you very much and goodbye.